Hello and welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're excited to take you on a journey into the world of innovative woodworking. Whether you're a craft enthusiast or just love beautiful, handcrafted decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we explore unique ideas, trending techniques, and inspiring projects that will elevate your woodworking skills. Let's get started and spark your creativity today. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of unique woodcrafts that blend craftsmanship with contemporary design. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a passionate beginner, our ideas will inspire your next creative venture. Woodworking is an ancient art that continues to evolve with modern trends and techniques. At Sari 11, we celebrate craftsmanship that transforms raw timber into stunning decor pieces. From minimalist furniture to intricate carved art, the possibilities are endless. Our focus is on sustainable practices that respect nature while delivering beautiful results. One exciting trend in woodworking is the use of reclaimed wood. This eco-friendly approach not only reduces waste but also adds character and history to your pieces. Imagine transforming old pallets or discarded timber into stylish coffee tables or wall art that tells a story. It's a perfect way to combine creativity with sustainability. Another innovative idea is incorporating metal accents into wooden furniture. The contrast between warm wood tones and sleek metal elements creates a modern industrial look. Think of metal handles, legs, or decorative brackets that elevate simple wood designs into statement pieces. This fusion offers both durability and aesthetic appeal. For those interested in personalized decor, laser engraving is a game changer. Custom designs, quotes, or intricate patterns can be etched onto wood surfaces, adding a unique touch to your creations. Whether it's a family name plaque or a decorative wall hanging, laser engraving makes each piece one of a kind. Floating shelves are gaining popularity for their minimalist charm and functionality. Crafted with precision, these shelves appear to float on the wall, creating an illusion of space and elegance. Using different wood finishes can complement any interior style, from rustic to contemporary. In the realm of functional art, wooden lighting fixtures are making a statement. Pendant lights and lamps crafted from unique wood slices or geometric shapes bring warmth and ambience to any room. Incorporating LED technology ensures energy efficiency while maintaining aesthetic beauty. For outdoor decor, consider creating handcrafted wooden planters and garden furniture. Weather-resistant finishes and durable designs allow these pieces to withstand the elements, while adding natural beauty to your landscape. It's an excellent way to bring craftsmanship into your outdoor living space. In conclusion, Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub is dedicated to showcasing the limitless potential of woodworking. By exploring sustainable materials, modern techniques, and personalized designs, you can craft unique pieces that reflect your style. Join us to celebrate creativity, craftsmanship, and the timeless beauty of wood. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Your support means a lot and helps us bring you more amazing projects and ideas. Thanks again for being part of our community.